Hey my friends, it's Realtor Paul Wozniak.
And Realtor Robert Crow.
We're with RE/MAX Alliance, and today we're going to take you on tour through 6977 Foxton Court in Wildwing in Timnath, Colorado.
So this is the Palomino, one of the modern farmhouse patio home collections. I adore these. I know you do as well.
Yeah, from Hartford Homes. I-L-O-V-E, love everything about this property. So beautiful exterior. Here we are in the interior. Open concept, living, dining, and kitchen all together.
And they're out in Wildwing, which is just east of I-25.
Yep.
Just an incredible neighborhood. I love it out there. Amazing views, walking trails.
Amazing views, amazing views.
One of the best swimming pools that you'll ever see in a community.
That's right.
Yeah, if you've not been out to Wildwing, you've got to go visit.
Now, I love how they have little built-in storage areas there in the kitchen, beautiful cabinetry, quartz countertops, high quality appliances, high quality everything here, right?
This is just quality throughout. And the great thing is, this weekend, there's an open house on this property. So feel free to go on by and meet with Emily and Micaiah from Hartford. They'll take great care of you.
Yep, wonderful. Modern finishes, contemporary kitchen, undermount sink here. Everything is super high quality and absolutely
But it's
beautiful.
still got that farmhouse style, which is so unique.
Yep.
Hartford really did something special with these properties. I'm not sure how often you'll see something like this.
I think they're beautiful. Really, really nice. So I love how it's nice and open. The windows let a lot of light in. I started actually shooting video with the lights off because it was, you know, it was, and I was like, oh wait, you always have to put the lights on.
Well, and that's
video.
something that Hartford's really well known for, is putting in these giant oversized windows and letting in lots of light. And they're a local builder as well, and you just can't go wrong when you stay local. 25 years in business. They're developing the whole Wildwing neighborhood, you know, as well as Mosaic here. Rendezvous coming soon. So you can really trust this builder. I'm a big fan.
Yep. So in the main suite here, on the main level, 5-piece owner suite.
No bidet.
No bidet.
What?
Do you miss that?
I do. Like once in a while, I'll see a bidet and I'll take a photograph.
What we're talking about with the bidet?
You can Google it, people.
Yeah, but
But check out that walk-in shower. There's a lovely bench there to sit on and shave your legs, Paul.
Yep, 5-piece bath. I wanted to get the quality of the floors and the tile, and this little bench has a little slant there so the water runs off. So, you know, all the details are paid attention to in the entire property here.
Well, and the builder is Joe. So Joe is the specific, we call them foreman in England, builder for this neighborhood, and he is just fantastic. It's like having your own concierge builder on site. If you go see this home and Joe's around, be sure to chat with him because he takes such amazing care of these properties and the people that buy them.
Well, they take great pride in what they do because these structures are, you know, going to mean a lot to people's lives, and they really can add an artistic feel to, you know, the function and the everyday lives of people.
Showerhead.
Beautiful.
Awesome.
Love it.
Basement time.
Yep, here we're going downstairs. So 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 4,088 square feet. 2,900 of that is finished, which leaves the potential rooms, as I like to call them, where you could have the opportunity to just put stuff in the unfinished areas and also finish them yourselves to make them exactly what you want.
Well, if you need it, because this basement has a rec room, an extra bedroom, and who doesn't like storage?
Yep.
So, you know, it's there if you need it. And Hartford partners with Elevations Credit Union, Ken Schmidt over there, and then the Wolf team, Rhonda and Brad with Cornerstone. And if you use either of those two lenders to help finance this property, you get some pretty amazing incentives. Be sure to ask Emily and Micaiah when you're there.
Absolutely. 8,700 square foot lot. This is the Palomino model by Hartford Homes.
Yeah, it's a lock and leave home. So the beautiful thing about this is that the HOA and the Metro District take care of everything for you. So if you're snowbirds spending half the year in Colorado and then half the year in sunny England, rainy England, everything's taken care of for you. Now you've got to keep up with the maintenance. They're not going to paint the property for you, but you know, landscaping, snow removal. Look at that shot.
Yeah, the landscaping's great. Everything looks great around this entire property. The whole neighborhood's coming in and it's coming together. It looks very good.
Brilliant.
Yep.
Look at that paint I love it, man. The red on the gray, on the white. It's so unique. You just don't see that anywhere else.
This is Robert's listing, and you've been very proud and very just talking about how Hartford is taking care of people, how you're teaming with Hartford to take care of buyers.
I could write a good couple of chapters in my memoirs about how Hartford has taken care of their clients. It's so different than working with many other builders. So yeah, if you have any questions about the property, feel free to reach out to Paul and I. And like we say, open house this weekend. I'm sure you'll bump into the wonderful Emily and Micaiah.
Yep. Check the post-publish date for that open house. If you need any information, we're always ready.
Yeah, we don't want somebody watching this in like 2022 and turn up and knock on the door.
That's all right. Post-publish date will be on everything where we put it.
Good disclaimer.
And as you can see, we're all over the internet. So if we can help you with anything else, please feel free. We have the communication channels open to Northern Colorado Real Estate.
Cheers.